Okay, today we'll be installing the Rapid Bike Evo on my Ducati Multistrada 950 and also the quick shifter on this motorcycle. So let's do it. To do that, first we need to remove this tank. I think I've already shown you how to remove the tank, so I'll not be again showing that entire video. Once I remove the tank, we'll get started. Okay, with the tank completely removed, now we'll be installing this Rapid Bike. This is the main module Rapid Bike, and this is the shift assist module. So for this we have this wiring harness. This is the wiring harness we have to use. So this connects the TPS, and this connects the injector, and this connects the crankshaft. This is the O2 sensor 1 and O2 sensor 2, and this goes to the battery, and this is the main module unit. It's just a plug and play unit, simple, so no need to do anything, just pull out and connect and we are done. That's it will take. This is one of the thing which we need to disconnect and reconnect, and this one is the auto sensor. The another auto sensor is here. So these three things and these two, that's it from for the main module which we need to connect. So what this does the Rapid Bike. So with this we can, if you have an aftermarket exhaust or air filter, and if you don't have the mapping to the bike, so using this Rapid Bike Evo, it's an auto tune kit. It auto tunes and calibrates itself based on the riding, so no need to install the mapping or anything. And if you want also, you can get the mapping from an external source and input here, and you can do the mapping directly. So you have a lot of options, so you can download mappings from other source and import it. That's it. And this one is the shifter. This is the shifter. For the shifter I have this wiring harness, and I've already connected the shifter sensor. This is the main load cell which we call the load cell. I've connected the load cell, this one. We have to calibrate it via software once installing. So these three connects the main module. So that's how the shifter works. So once installed, I'll show how it is. So let's start first by connecting this wiring harness. Okay, this is the auto sensor 1 which needs to be connected here. So this is done. So next thing is the cranks. This one, the crank sensor. This one is the crank sensor. To just pull out this. Okay, this is the crank sensor which is connected. And next one more auto sensor, which is this one. We need to auto sensor lambda. Yeah, this one. You need to disconnect and connect it. Just see, it's very easy. You can remove it on one hand. Just pull this out. That's it. And connect using this. Okay, with this done, only the TPS sensor, which is this, we need to connect. So these two are the plugs. Just plug and play. Okay, all the sensors are connected, and also the wire routing is done. So here is the main routing. So the unit will be kept here like this. So, okay, here is the main routing, this one. So the unit will be kept here, and it would be like this, connected over here. This is what the plan is from my side, how to connect on this unit. So okay, I think this will fit here. Yeah, this will fit, so we'll connect here and the unit is done. Next is to connect these plugs to the exact same points here, and they have a throttle sensor. So this one, so that will get connected to here. So with this, I think the connections are done. and then we have to do the mapping and all rest. Okay, let's do this. This is for the TTL throttle body, throttle sensor, which connects the bike for the quick shifter. So this is the stock one which I have removed, so just plug and play this. This is the stock one which I have removed, so just plug and play this, and that's the only thing we need to connect. And these two modules which will connect here to the rapid bike module. So, and this will go for the main module, and this will go for the main module, and that's it. We are done with the connections. This shifter unit is put here, and the rapid bike unit is put here. I think we are done with all of them. This is the USB plug-in unit which will connect to the laptop, and which we'll test it later. Now I think all the connections are done. Even the wiring harness is properly connected. All done. So time to put the tank back. That's it. That's how we connect the rapid bike module unit and the shifter. Okay, now the installation is complete of the rapid bike, and the tank has been fitted back. Now let's connect the, so you need this is the cable which comes with the rapid bike. So there's one USB outlet which is here. You can see this is the one. Yeah, so this we need to plug it like this. Okay, done. And this goes to the PC. Okay, see, you can see the device is connected. Status, you can see the status, auto sensor status, new updates, so you will get if there is any update. Okay, can take this out. Okay, reset maps, I have to do a reset maps first time. Map 2, no need to save the data. Auto adaptability, and map 2, right click, reset maps. Yes, do a reset maps again. Okay, that's done. Apply. Okay, shift assist is what I need. So to do this shift assist, we need to do an initial setup. So put the bike in neutral. Yes, the bike is in neutral, so click OK. So I need to push, you can see, move the gear lever up so it sends the load. See the load. Okay, that's done. Next is to the throttle. So you can see here, if I do this throttle, okay, that's done. Okay, so it's done. So next is apply. Yeah, let's go to the status. Okay, let's crank it and see what happens once. After that we'll see what's this issue. this works. For now, that's it done. That's it from this video. You have seen how to install this rapid bike tuning kit, which does the tuning for the bike when you have installed this aftermarket exhaust. See, I have installed the Ergonomy aftermarket exhaust, so you need to have this mapping if you don't have the maps for your aftermarket. So that's it in this vlog. See you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye.